Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, Walter been asking for chili for a couple days now, and I bought the hamburger meat. I was gonna make chili the first day he asked for it. Then I didn't feel like it, so we made hamburgers, and we ate off it a couple days. So I got enough meat to make chili out of. So buying this big thing of hamburger was a good buy to be able to eat off it 3 days. But anyway, I'm usually the person that really likes chili, and I make it maybe 3 times a month. So if y'all tired of watching me make chili, I'm just giving you a heads up. And I'll be putting salsa in it. This time I got the hot, thick, and chunky salsa. So I don't have to chop up any bell peppers, onions, whatever they got in to make it hot. It's probably jalapenos. I can't read that little writing. Yeah, I see. And onion, garlic, jalapenos, and tomato. So I'm not using no tomato sauce either. This is going to do it. I like my beans in the chili to be different colors. So I'm using the light red kidney beans and the dark red kidney beans. I'm using 3 packs of, I got 1 pack of chili mix and 2 packs of taco mix. It's all about the same. It's just a little bit more chili powder in chili mix. That's what makes it different from taco mix. They put a little extra chili powder in it. But it's all about the same. You can use it. It's interchangeable. And I'll be using my Instant Pot Duo Mini. It's 3 quarts. So I'm going to re-angle this camera so y'all can see what I'm doing. Let me turn this off. There it is. Here's the Instant Pot Duo. I like Instant Pot because it has a stainless steel inner basket. Plugged it in. I'm going to turn it on to the saute function. Oops, turn it on first. Wait, what's plugged in? Oh, it's not plugged in. It'd be nice if I plugged it in, huh? That's my ring light that's plugged in. Okay, now turn it on. I'll put it on saute. Okay, put this meat in here. And I'm not going to season the meat at all until after it's done. So I like to make sure the meat is done, because the seasoning is just going to color it. That's how much meat I get. A little bit over a pound, I imagine. I ain't sure since we've been using it. So I got my water ready, because after you put the seasoning mix in there, you always have to use water. I'm going to open these. You're supposed to use 1 pack of mix per pound of meat. But you know I'm extra. I'm just opening these so everything will be ready to go. Let's see. They both smell the same. The chili mix and the taco seasoning. And they actually give you more in the pack of the taco seasoning. Wow. What does it say? It says 1.25 ounces for both of them. Okay. Take these lids off. And open this. Okay, this works well. The jar opener thingamajig one of my honeys sent me. Okay, and I always listen for the pop when I open up a jar. Make sure nobody in the store has opened it. Okay. Break this meat up. Y'all hear the sizzle? Oh, y'all hear water stirring. You want to be on video? They ain't seen you in a while. Why not? Okay. Okay, I'll be back. Let me show y'all how it's looking up in there. It's cooking. And to keep this from turning around and around when I stir it, let me get a clip. I hope it's still in here. It wants to use my clip. Well, I don't have it. I usually put one of the black binder clips to clamp this, so this will be stationary, so I don't have to stir around and around. But somebody took it. Probably tying up some bread or something. Okay, I'll be back when I add the seasonings and stuff. I almost forgot to film. I poured 1 can of beans in here. Here's the second can. Now if you use greasy meat, please drain the grease. Add 2 cans of beans. I'm gonna add the salsa. If you just got a little bit of meat, then you don't need to add this much stuff. Oh wow, I ain't had to chop up nothing. This is a good 1-pot meal. Stir this stuff up together. Then I'm gonna add the seasoning packets. I always keep a bag handy, put my trash in. Like I said, when you add the seasoning, you need to add some water or some kind of liquid. Of course, I'm going to clean these jars and cans out. Get all this goodness. This is what I do. Okay. I'm going to stir it. On my garbage. I can throw this away. Let me stir this. Mix the seasonings up in here. And my daughters, this past month, a couple of them have asked me how to make chili. So for those of you all who wants to know how to make something, put in MzBrazell and put in chili or air fried chicken or whatever it is you want to make. Dressing, Thanksgiving coming up. I have a quick and easy and delicious way to make dressing. Okay. I don't need to add any other seasoning, y'all. This is delicious already. So now I'm going to let this simmer. Let me show y'all how it looks. This is some good chili, y'all. Look at that. There's enough liquid in here. The meat is not going to stick in the bottom of this pot. I'm going to let it continue to saute. I'm not going to bring it up to pressure. As a matter of fact, I don't even need to use the pressure cooker lid. Just using a regular pot top. Okay. So, I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, it simmered for about maybe 5 minutes. Make sure ain't nothing sticking on the bottom. Okay. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can do the same method in a regular cooking pot. Cook your meat first thoroughly. Then add your other stuff, then your seasonings, then your little water. I like mine more juicy because I like to savor the juices because they taste good, y'all. I like my spaghetti kind of soupy. And even when I make red beans, I like a lot of juice. Okay, I'm gonna dip it up. Well, let me take a thumbnail. I'm going to take this off. Look at that. Everything is in there. Y'all didn't see me chop up nothing. It's in there, y'all. Bell peppers, onion, tomatoes, jalapenos. Trying to get a good thumbnail. Well, that's good. Turn this off. It's done. I'll dip up my cup I got from Walmart a while ago. It was on sale at Walmart. It's a, what's her name? Pioneer Woman. The Pioneer Woman. I thought it was cute. A little mug. So this is my chili mug, my soup mug. Got feet to it. I love chili. I was surprised that Walter asked for some. I'm the chili person. And he don't like salsa in his chili. That's the only way I make it now. So he must like it. Unplug it. Which one is it? I think it's thick course. So once again, I use my Instant Pot just like a regular pot. I didn't bring nothing up to pressure. Put some oyster crackers up in here. Walter don't put his in the chili. Each here to the side. You have a dish of crackers and a dish of chili. And I ain't about to taste this now. I'm not putting cheese on it. The cheese is salty. And this chili is perfect just the way it is. So, I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. It's 3:18 p.m. So I get to eat before 4 o'clock today. I probably had 2 helpings. So, let's see if I can taste this. It's hot. I'll taste a little. Let y'all know if it's good or not. If it's got a little dab. The spoon is hot. Oh my goodness. I can cook, y'all. Season. Might dip some juice and put it in here. I'm trying to see what's what. I see the bell pepper. I see the onion. That's bell pepper. I see jalapenos. They're more green than the bell pepper. Okay. Comes from the salsa. All right. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And bon appetit. Bye.